Hey guys, here's a 52-inch Hampton Bay Redington IV ceiling fan in white. This fan is from October of 2004 and it features the 4 spotlight kit. Now this fan would have came with the remote, but the seller did not include it along with the mounting bracket. So it pretty much was just a motor and blades. So that was about it. The thing is in terrible shape. It's missing one of the black spotlight covers. It's missing both the pull chains, the remote control, the mounting bracket, and also there are very bad yellow stains on the blades. The blades are all out of whack, so this thing wobbles very badly. And there's also paint all over the canopy and on the motor housing. So the seller did not tell me it was in this bad of shape, or else I wouldn't have got it. But it is a childhood fan, so why not? But anyway, here's the light. That works just fine. And I'll start off on low. One thing I will say, this fan is very quiet. It has a slight startup hum, but that's about it. One of my friends down the street, he has one of these in silver, and that was one of my big childhood fans. There was also a boutique shop in my town that had a silver one all the way in the corner of the room, so that was kind of a cool install that I remember. But sadly that place is torn down now, and I assume the fan got torn down with it. But it works okay, this fan. These weren't bad fans when they were sold. They were fairly expensive. I think they're sold around maybe $150 probably. But I think they discontinued these around 2009, if I'm not too mistaken. Maybe 2010. Kicks out a decent amount of air on low speed. Here's medium. And it's going to start to wobble pretty violently. To be completely honest, this fan is probably in the worst shape out of any fan that I've ever picked up off of a listing. It's just terrible. But fortunately, all those problems can be fixed. It can be repainted, and the parts are fairly easy to come by. But yeah. Pushes out a nice breeze on medium speed too. These weren't bad fans when they were sold, they really weren't. And I think this is one of the first fans that I've seen with a spotlight kit and a remote control. So that was a big childhood part of this fan. I also liked how the spotlight shades, they have that mesh on them that does reflect on the blades. I always thought that was sort of cool. But anyway, here's high. It didn't come with those pull chains seen, but I just put them on there for ease, and it's really gonna wobble pretty badly. Yeah, that's actually very bad. Probably the wobbliest fan I ever tested in here. Bring it up close anyway. Yeah, it's shaking all over the place. So there's a stain in there. Did wish it came with a remote control, but you can't have everything. Actually, the blades are in pretty gross shape. Now if I take off one of these blades, which of course they don't want to come off now, there's a big yellow stain where the, kind of see it actually, maybe where the blade arm attaches. And you can probably see all the paint. All over the place on this thing. Canopy is just caked in it. Yeah. That's pretty bad. Even the logo is crooked. That can probably be fixed though. The tags are up there somewhere. I think they're on this side. Something like that. I'm not sure if this tag is dated. I know the U-old tag said this is July of 05. The other tag says October of 04, but anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.